Creating professional infographics used to be a technical nightmare, but today we're changing the game. I'm going to show you how to turn a single prompt into a data-driven, visually stunning infographic in under 60 seconds. Whether you're a marketeer, a student, or a founder, Vengage's new AI tools are about to become your favorite design shortcut. If you're creating infographics, usually it feels overwhelming, time-consuming, intimidating. This is Vengage. This tool is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, I'm showing you Vengage's AI infographic generator, a tool that can turn a single prompt into a fully designed infographic in just minutes. And the best part is you don't need any design experience to make something that actually looks professional. One thing I really like here is that it's completely removed that blank and this anxiety. Instead of staring at an empty page wondering where to start, the AI instantly gives you a professional structure you can build on. So, whether you're a beginner who wants something easy, or a designer who wants to skip the repetitive setup work, this gives you a really solid starting point. Vengage allows you to go from a single prompt to a stunning professional design in minutes, helping you spend less time creating and more time impressing your audience. The tool is designed for non-designers. All right, let's generate something live. Now you see the prompt box front and center. This is where it all starts, right? So you can see I've just typed something in there and then we hit generate. You can put or paste anything in there, any real data points, and within seconds you've seen what happens. The AI has pulled all of that content into a structured layout in real time, organizing it, adding visual hierarchy, and creating chart placeholders. There it is, it's building for you and it's done. A complete infographic draft in seconds. A professional looking infographic built from a single line of text. No design skills needed. So then with that, we just scroll through and take a closer look. You get smart customization and built-in AI tools. So that draft is just your starting point, right? Everything inside the editor is fully customizable. So you can rewrite your copy, swap icons, adjust the layout, all without ever leaving Vengage, right? And the AI keeps helping you as you edit. There's the smart suggestion feature that gives you instant AI-powered design tips based exactly on what's on your canvas, like having a designer looking over your shoulder. Beyond just this infographic tool itself, Vengage gives you access to over 100 free AI design tools, icon generators, illustration tools, color palette builders, the full toolkit. All right, so let me just show you something here now inside the editor. This won't take long. First is the AI rewrite feature. You click on any text element in your infographic, like this one right here. You click on that and then you can just hit refine for the AI to improve it. The AI makes your data points more concise and impactful without you having to rewrite a single word. So you can ask it anything. You can have it elaborate on that single point. So what do we have next? Let me show you. AI makes those data points more concise and impactful. And then we have the icon. So we've opened the AI icon generator. All you have to do is describe the icon you need. And then it generates a custom visual tailored to your specific content. So no more hunting through generic clips. You've got it right there, so you just generate your specific icon. Then once it's done, you can see my little laptop. And then it brings in all of those colors and fonts, and then you can just use the drag and drop editor to apply that palette across the entire design at once. So you can just drag and drop your little laptop into the design however you like. It also gives you the option to modify it however you want, or however the AI thinks it should be modified. We'll just go to what can we do? We'll hit replace image, and then we've got other images down here that you can just replace it with. We can go through all of the different fonts. Able fat face, that works pretty well. You can just pop that in there and it's automatically saving it to the cloud as you're changing each of the brand fonts as well. Alpha slot 1 will change it to that. We'll see how that works. That kind of fits in there a little bit with it. So there we go, that automatically saves. We can also, as we mentioned before, you've got all the brand colors with those fonts, and you can just drag and drop those brand colors and apply them to it. In the editor, just pull them from the palette, drag them across the entire design. It's like a one-click pull onto everything in your brand. Very neat, very handy. We'll replace that color right there. Pick your color, pop it in, and there you go. Very nice and easy to use. You can also go back to your original colors if you want, making the infographic look nice, neat, polished, and really professional. And all of that is done in almost 5 minutes. It didn't take long at all. Now, there's one thing about this. You've got accessibility as a standard, right? Here's something most design tools completely ignore, and it's where Vengage truly leads. It's accessibility. Vengage is built with WCAG compliance in mind, the gold standard for digital accessibility. There's an AI-powered accessibility checker built right into the platform that scans your infographic and flags issues. Low color contrast, missing alt text, anything that could make your visual hard to use. for someone relying on a screen reader, right? This isn't just a nice to have. For anyone sharing visuals in a professional or public-facing context, accessible design is a standard and makes it easy. So, you just run the checker like you just saw me do on the infographic. And then it'll show you contrast issues, missing alt text, elements that screen readers can't properly interpret. And here's the clever part. You don't need to fix any of these manually. It's all AI powered. You've got a one-click fix. Once everything's cleared, you're ready to export. You hit download, select accessible PDF, and also this isn't just a regular PDF, it's structured and tagged so it works properly with assistive technologies and meets professional accessibility standards. It's the version you can confidently share anywhere. So, just to wrap that up, Venngage takes you from a blank page to a professional, accessible infographic in minutes. The AI handles the structure, the design polish, and the accessibility checks. You just bring the ideas. So there we are. Stop wasting hours on manual design. Click the link in the description to try the AI infographic generator for free today. If you're ready for the full suite of pro features, use my code ARBRAIN50 for 50% off your annual plan for Venngage Premium or Business. Hit the like button, click the link in the description, and tap subscribe.